Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Spirit Allies, a 60 card deck and guidebook by Jill Pyle and Cidney Bachert, illustrated by JK. Hopefully I'm saying those names correctly. I do apologize if I am mispronouncing them. Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. So cute. I actually love Jill Pyle's self-care deck as well as the Sacred Cycles. I'll link them in the eye. Check those out. They're fantastic and very gentle. I love working with them. So I'm excited to see what this has in store. So this is published by Sterling Ethos, retailing for $24.99 in the US and $32.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So if you haven't checked it out, go for it. Let's get started. Connect with your spirit allies. When you're in need of guidance, look to your spirit allies for support. Their messages arrive in many forms, be it as plants, animals, crystals, goddess archetypal energies, or cosmic forces. They're ever present and ready to connect with you in the 60 card oracle deck, as well as through daily signs and synchronicities. Okay, love the packaging. Oh my gosh, all of the cute little characters on there. Flowers. Oh, cute. Okay, ask and you shall receive. Oh, I love that. It's beautiful. Illustrations are already getting me. I love that. Oh, you are always guided. Fantastic. Okay, so before we get into the deck, let me just take a peek real fast at the guidebook, which we will explore a little bit deeper after the flip through. We do have a table of contents. I love it. So we have a prayer and blessing, about and how to use the oracles. Then it goes into the card meanings. We've got wisdom disclaimer, a 5 elements card spread, a spirit ally connection spread, and intuitive insight spreads. And then it sections it out. We have goddess allies, crystal allies, plant allies, animal allies, and cosmic allies. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, so using the oracle, cleanse, shuffle. All right, different ways to pull a card. And then with the card meanings here, you may find subtle hints just by looking at the images on each card, observing the colors, symbols, and energy, and noticing what your initial feeling is. After sitting with the card image, you can look up the deeper meaning behind in this guidebook. Each card has a connecting spirit allies mantra. Oh, that's awesome, which you can repeat to yourself aloud as an affirmation and a journal prompt. This is really cool. If you wish to explore your question further, feel free to mix and match this oracle with your other decks. Have fun. Okay, let's get into it. It's got a silver foiling on the edges. Love that. There's the back. Very pretty. I like the size. It's like a tarot size. And then no borders. And it's more of a matte because I'm not seeing any big reflections, which I personally prefer, but that's just because I film. So then we have the title and the number down below. Very pretty artwork. Now, again, please be careful whenever there's a foiling on the edge. Take your cards apart gently. Otherwise, since they stick together due to the manufacturing process, they will tear if you try to rip them apart quickly. So just be patient and just carefully peel them apart. Oh, Cleopatra. That I was not expecting. Very fun, brightly colored imagery. Lots of detail in the symbols there. So I recognize a lot of these goddesses. Very neat to have them all incorporated here. All right, crystals. That's fun. I like the very modern feel of this. Oh, I love. One of my favorite crystals ever is the labradorite. I love it. So magical. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there is some detail in the moonstone crystal there. Ooh, pretty and opal. I do love some fluorite as well. Great to work with. Another great stone to have on hand, tiger's eye. Okay. How pretty. I really like this idea of incorporating a lot of the different elements here together. Yeah, it feels very clean, very modern, very easy to use for a daily pull, maybe for some clarification. Kava kava. Oh, I love, love, love the mushrooms. How adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, cute. Oh, yay, we do get a bat. Oh, that's exciting. Cute. Oh, the little moon on his forehead. I love it. Wasn't expecting to see a dragon here, but cool nonetheless. We got little froggies. Hummingbirds. Oh, I love. And the colors are gorgeous. I love the fun, rich vibrancy. Oh, we got beautiful moths here. This would make a stunning wallpaper. Cute. Yay, we get ravens. There's a plethora of stuff in here. So there aren't any keywords on here. So those of you who aren't familiar with the properties or the meanings behind these symbols and goddesses and animals might be a little bit more harder to understand right off the bat, but we'll take a look at the guidebook to see what the meanings are. As always, a guidebook is there to help you and to do exactly that, to guide you. So don't feel like you can't use it and utilize it whenever you're working with the cards, especially if it's a new to you deck. Zodiac signs, love. Just thinking of all the different ways to utilize this deck. It's pretty versatile. I mean, you can even take certain portions out. That say you just want to work with the zodiac portion, just take that out and work with that. I don't know why, but this with the background is giving me 70s vibes, and I'm here for it. Fun. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's shuffle. Oh yeah, look at that. Very flexible. It snaps back. The cardstock itself is pretty sturdy, but very flexible. It's giving that snapback that you want, but it's allowing you to have an easy shuffle. So that's fantastic. You don't have to work too hard to shuffle it. All right. Shuffle's fine this way too. Can I get a card to read? Okay. We're going to read for Opal. All right. So let's go to the handy dandy table of contents. We got crystal allies. So Opal will be on page 35. Just want to see if there's a little tidbit about the section before. Nope. Okay. So Opal, what I give to the universe is sent back to me. An embodiment of magic, Opal glistens like a prism. A rainbow of colors can be seen in this stone, known for helping to create balance and regulate emotions. Opal is a stone of amplification, meaning that what is presented to this stone is heightened and then sent back to the user. You are being called to manifest and send out positivity to all that surrounds you. In other words, give and you shall receive. Focus on raising your vibration and sharing your light and positivity with others. Not only could you make someone's day a little brighter, but you will be encouraging the same types of energy to come back to you. What you focus your attention on is what you draw into your life, so focus on what your soul craves. And then there's the journal prompt. What one small step can I take today to raise my vibration? Oh, I love this. I am shielded from negativity. I see the magic. This is fantastic. I'm so excited to start working with this. There are so many ways, like I said, to utilize this. I feel like, oh, let's show the spreads here. So we have the 5 elements, the spirit ally connection, and the intuitive insight card spread. I feel like there's just so many ways to learn with this deck, to how to incorporate like a higher view of things here, confirmation, daily pull. Utilizing the journal prompt is fantastic. So with your daily pull, say you pick this opal card, and if you are one to journal, that can be part of your morning or your evening routine with a cup of coffee or tea. What a fantastic way to start your day or end your day. I think that this is a fantastic tool for any type of level that you see yourself as a reader. I think that this is like, if you're going to start with a deck, this might be one to start with if you are new to oracles, because there's so many different elements in here that can help you learn and to teach you new things that maybe you didn't know, to incorporate spiritual connections with the animals, the goddesses, etc. So yeah, there's a lot of valid information and a lot of different ways to use this. So I'm really excited about it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this deck. Do you own it? If you do you use it regularly? What do you think about it? Tell me all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. I enjoy and love reading them. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.